Adding DecoArt Pouring Medium to paint gives it greater fluidity, allowing paint to flow on the canvas easily, creating vibrant poured art. Here are the basic guidelines for mixing paint with pouring medium. DecoArt Media Fluid Acrylics mix at a 2-part paint to 1-part pouring medium ratio. DecoArt Americana Acrylics mix at a 1-part paint to 1-part pouring medium ratio. Medium-bodied acrylics, such as our premium acrylics, mix at a 1-part paint to 3-part pouring medium ratio. The ratios can be altered according to your preference or the look you are trying to achieve. By adding more pouring medium, more cells will form. Even though there are basic guidelines when it comes to ratios, there are no set rules. Be experimental with your poured art projects.